Да ну ебать, братан, бля, один раз живем нахуй. Готов? Выстрел!
Уходим?
Да ты заебал, блядь, в смысле уходим, ёб твою мать!
Да, блядь, это ракеты такие, я здесь при чем, видишь, она не ебашит, блядь.
Да пизду.
Yo, my dude is straight caked up in flip-flops. So that right there is probably an anti-tank guided missile system, probably a wire-guided missile system. It looks like he's looking through some sort of a sight. So if I had to guess, that's probably similar to like the tow missile system where it's got like a flight motor and a launch motor. The launch motor is just designed to get it to take off out of the tube originally, and then the flight motor kicks in once it travels a certain distance. So that like whirring, that whizzing noise that you hear when it's starting up, but it never actually fires, is probably like the launch motor that went off.